Hi, my name is Ryan Poppie, president of the Beloit Mattress Company, and here are 5 proven strategies to help you sleep through the night. When someone tells me that they woke up in the middle of the night and couldn't fall back to sleep, I always tell them don't focus on what happened at 3 a.m., but focus on what happened before bed and what your sleep environment looks like. Here are 5 strategies that consistently help not only me, but the people that we serve every day. Invest in the right mattress for your body and sleep style. We worked with a woman in her 40s who woke up every night with hip pain. We built her a mattress with better pressure relief, and within a week she was sleeping through the night. The right mattress makes a bigger difference than most people realize. Use a zoned sleep system or a hybrid sleep system. We had a couple who totally had different needs. He needed a firm lumbar support mattress, and she slept hot and wanted extra cushion. So we designed for them 2 Twin XL mattresses tailored to their own needs and paired them with adjustable bases. The first night they told us that they'd slept better than they had in years. Establish a wind down routine. One customer started journaling and listening to quiet music an hour before bed. Just like that, she started falling asleep faster and was able to sleep through the night. The routine doesn't have to be complex, it just has to be consistent. Limit stimulus and screen time. I know a couple who started leaving their phones outside the bedroom at 8 p.m. Within days, they were falling asleep easier and staying asleep longer. Caffeine and blue light mess up your sleep rhythms more than most people realize. Keep the bedroom cool, dark, and device free. Another customer was waking up every night at 3 a.m. We found that the street light was shining through their window and the TV was left on. They added blackouts curtains and turned off the TV, dropped the thermostat a couple of degrees, and the wake up stopped. If you have any other questions about mattresses or sleep in general, visit beloitmattress.com and chat with an actual bed maker. We're here to help.